How to know if someone is online on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can know if someone is online on Instagram. Well, basically there are a few ways to see when someone's active on Instagram. You'll see a timestamp next to the profile. If you open up here Instagram and then head into your chats by tapping on the chat icon at the top right corner of your screen, and if you head into a certain chat that you want to see the online status of, I'll just open up this account. Here you'll be able to see a timestamp. However, here you can see there's no timestamp. But if I head into another chat here, you can see you'll find a timestamp below their profile username. You can see BMOBusNet and under it active 11 minutes ago. So basically this is the way you can see if someone is online on Instagram. Well, if someone has turned off their active status, like this user here, you can see I'm not able to see their active status. Now in this case, what you can do is you can head over to the profile and check if they have posted any new post, and if they are reacting to your story or if they have any new stories, then it means that they are still active but they have turned off their active status. So this two-way you can see or know if someone is online on Instagram. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.